Today we are going to learn all about OPCW. Let's start and see what kind of organization this is. The OPCW stands for Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons. It is the implementing body for the Chemical Weapons Convention. The OPCW oversees the global endeavor to permanently and verifiably eliminate all chemical weapons from the world. For its extensive efforts to eliminate chemical weapons, the OPCW was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2013. Formation: the OPCW was established on 29 April 1997, and history was made with the entry into force of the Chemical Weapons Convention (CWC), the world's first multilateral disarmament agreement to provide for the elimination of an entire category of weapons of mass destruction within a fixed time frame. Headquarters: the headquarters of OPCW is situated in The Hague, Netherlands. Members: the OPCW has 193 members committed to the Chemical Weapons Convention. Israel is a signatory state that has not ratified the convention till now, and Egypt, North Korea, and South Sudan, which have neither signed nor acceded to the convention. Palestine was the most recent state to submit its instrument of accession to the convention, and on 21st April 2021, Syria was stripped of its voting rights at the OPCW after Syrian forces were found to have used chemical weapons during the Syrian civil war. I have attached a link in the description to check the name of the 193 member countries. Let's move on. Official languages of the organization. The official languages of OPCW are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. Objectives: the OPCW strives to fulfill the Convention's mandate to end the development, production, stockpiling, transfer, and use of chemical weapons, to prevent their re-emergence, to ensure the elimination of existing stocks of such weapons, and to make the world safe from the threat of chemical warfare. The ultimate aim of the OPCW is to achieve a world permanently free of chemical weapons and to contribute to international security and stability, general and complete disarmament, and global economic development. Mission: the mission of OPCW is to implement the provisions of the Chemical Weapons Convention to achieve our vision of a world free of chemical weapons and the threat of their use, and in which chemistry is used for peace, progress, and prosperity. Partners of OPCW. Achieving a world permanently free of chemical weapons requires working together. For over 2 decades, the OPCW has sought, established, and implemented partnerships with the chemical industry, international organizations, civil society, and others with a stake in the goals of the Chemical Weapons Convention. Organizational structure. There are 3 parts of the OPCW. First one is Conference of the States Parties. The CSP is the principal and plenary organ of the OPCW. The Conference of the States Parties oversees the implementation of the Chemical Weapons Convention, promotes its goals, and reviews compliance with the treaty. It also oversees the activities of the Executive Council and Technical Secretariat. The CSP is typically convened yearly and in which all countries participate with equal voting rights. Members are generally represented by a permanent representative of the organization. Second part is Executive Council. The Executive Council of OPCW consists of 41 OPCW member states that are elected by the Conference of the States Parties and rotate every 2 years. The Council supervises the activities of the Technical Secretariat and is responsible for promoting the effective implementation of and compliance with the Convention. Third part is Technical Secretariat. The OPCW Technical Secretariat assists the Conference of the States Parties and the Executive Council in performing their tasks and carries out the Chemical Weapons Convention's verification measures. That's it for now. We will come back with a different topic. Till then, keep watching NaRvi Academy.